Hey everybody, Tim Lankish over at CAE Services. Today I want to talk to you about the packing phase of injection molding and how it relates to mold flow analysis. I had a physics professor way back in the day, and he used to grab his beard and say, physics is a study of relationships. And nothing could be more true than what we see in the packing phase of injection molding. There's a lot of relationships, interrelated things going on. First of all, we have the relationship between pressure balance and shrinkage uniformity. Anytime we do mold flow analysis, we're trying to make the shrinkage as uniform as we possibly can, because that's what a mold maker is doing when they manufacture an injection mold. They are assuming that the shrinkage is uniform throughout the tool. But in fact, it often is not the case, particularly as it relates to part design and tool design. With part design, you can have wall thickness variation that changes your shrinkage, and you can have gate location variations that would change the shrinkage depending on how you fill the part. So that's one relationship. When you have lower pressure, that is also going to affect your clamp force requirement. So if you have the wrong injection molding machinery, something with too small of a tonnage, for example, that's going to affect what pressures you apply during the packing phase, and you might get a different size part, for example. Another relationship is the level of packing pressure versus the part size and the clamp force. All of those things I just said run true. If you need a bigger part, you're going to apply more packing pressure. More packing pressure leads to higher clamp force. So you can see how all these things are interrelated, and if you're guessing at what those relationships are when you're making your molds, you can often end up with the wrong result. So that's why we use mold flow analysis to flesh all that out, get more uniform shrinkage at the right packing pressure level and the right clamp force. So hope this helps. Love to see you at one of our webinars someday. Ask the mold flow experts. Look online at caeservices.com and you can see when the next one is. We'd love to see you there. Thanks for joining.